Welcome. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by constant notifications while using Discord on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the Get Notifications within Discord feature on the Discord mobile app. This is the updated method, so you'll have the most current steps to keep your Discord experience distraction-free. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Tap on Notifications to open up all the notification settings available to you. Here's where you'll find the option we're looking for. Look for the setting called Get Notifications within Discord. This feature is what sends you pop-ups and alerts while you're actively using the Discord app. If you want a quieter, more focused experience, you'll want to turn this off. To do that, simply toggle off the switch next to Get Notifications within Discord. Once you do this, Discord will stop showing you those in-app notifications, letting you chat and browse in peace without constant interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Get Notifications within Discord feature. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're part of a lot of servers or group chats and want to cut down on distractions. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. It's quick, easy, and totally in your control. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might need a little peace and quiet on Discord. See you next time.